My next question, describe your favorite bird. Again, options are vast. You can have your own example, provided you're able to give more information about the bird or justify why you have chosen that bird as your best or the most loved one. So, birds are, my answer can go like this, okay? Birds are one of the most beautiful creation of nature. They are helpful to us in many ways, and sometimes it is very difficult to pick on one favorite bird because I personally love watching birds, and I feel that birds are one of the most prettiest uh, creations of nature, the creatures of nature. And I would like to speak in specific about my national bird, the peacock. So I like the peacock because of one main reason, and I personally feel that it's the most beautiful bird among all the other birds that are available or that exist. It is a large multicolored bird that cannot fly very high in the sky, but it can jump a few meters above the ground just because of the body mass. It is found in almost every part of the country, but it always prefers to stay in remote areas. In cities, peacocks are found in open grounds, gardens, and farms where human interference is minimal. Peacocks live on insects, flowers, and fruits. They have a beautiful bunch of tail feathers which make them extremely unique. Peacock feathers are colorful and also considered holy as per Hindu mythology because Lord Krishna is believed to have adorned his crown with a peacock feather. The peacock also has a crown on its own head, because of which it has been labeled as the king of birds. In addition, we also can find white peacocks in some parts of the country. Now, these white peacocks look even more gorgeous and stunningly attractive. In the monsoon season, peacocks dance in the rain and spread out their tail feathers to attract the peahens. We need to notice that the female peacocks do not have their tail feathers like their male counterparts. Now, this sight of dancing peacocks is a wonderful scene to watch. Peacocks also have a melodious voice that they use to call out to their group. This sound is heard most during sunrise and sunset. Moving on to the follow-up questions. Do birds give any message? Do birds give message? What is your opinion? Yes, birds do communicate. This is my opinion. Birds give us the message of enjoying our lives to the fullest. They give us a message of being diligent and stress-free. So you can mention this and you can say that is why We see whenever we see birds engaged in any natural activities, we generally feel completely refreshed and rejuvenated. So one main reason is because of this. They are stress free and they're always diligent, and that is a message that they carry to our lives. Let's move on to the next question. Should we keep birds in our house? Now that is a highly debated topic. My answer goes like this. We can keep a bird in our house if it gets familiar and intimate with the family members. We must not confine it to a cage for our personal interests. So there's no harm in having birds at home. We can definitely have birds at home provided it gets familiar and it's quite comfortable and intimate with the family members. It is not definitely right to confine a bird to its cage just because we have personal interests. So I personally believe that we can definitely tame and grow birds at home, provided they are familiar and they are free and intimate with the family members instead of confining them in a cage.